Ajit from Koderma, the Maker city, but right now I have been living in Hazaribagh, the star city of Jharkhand. We everybody know that language is the way of communication and to express our thoughts in front of others. But since ancient times, there could be seen the language disputes in so many countries in the most part of the world. So friends, I am here to tell about my English speaking experience, that how did I become fluent, and what was that incident which took me here in this institution to learn the English language. It was the first day of my college in graduation. It was the session of introduction in the class. Most of the students were asking the questions in the English language and Hindi language as well. I wanted to ask the question in English language because I am from CBSE background. But on that day, I felt that what is my level in the English language, and you would not believe that I got nervousness, hesitation in front of that huge crowd. And after coming back to my home from the first class of that day, I got eager and I wanted to learn the English language and to become more fluent in the English language. So in Hazaribagh, I preferred the offline institution instead of online, because we everybody know that if you see the crowd, then you must know your level, that what is your level in any type of thing in competition. So I wandered in Hazaribagh for a week in search of English institution. But while searching, I went to three institutions. One of them I did class 2 to 3 days at least. But I was not satisfied. I could not get that things for what I went there. But fortunately, after some days, I got to know about the English at Workplace, the institution of English, through online mode. I came here in this institution and met to Nisha ma'am, and she made me comfortable first of all, and she told me all the things of this institution. And after doing a class for 2 to 3 days, I got my expectation into reality.